Hello guys, so today we are here for installation of fuel sensor with Cognito M-Link device. This is Tata tipper truck. I'm standing on RKS construction. You can see this is the highway and there are two tippers. First is of Bharat Benz and second is of Tata. So first of all we are going to install our device in Tata. Okay, so let me show you fuel sensor which I have already installed. This is our Cognito fuel sensor and this is the OEM fuel sensor which company provides. Wiring is done from this side, this end to this end. You can see has gone there from this side to this side. This black one is our wire, fuel sensor wire. You can see that. Okay, from here it comes to this side. From this side it goes from here to here to here to up. Now let's go to the cabin. You can see the wire comes from this side, goes from here to connection through device. Now let me show you device. Device is already installed here. Okay, so thank you.